Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be reviewing something that I think can bring a little spa-like feeling to your bathroom. It is the Inhousolu No-Hook Waffle Weave Shower Curtain with snap-in fabric liner set. Now I know what you're thinking. How exciting can a shower curtain really be? But honestly, this one has some features that really caught my attention. And I wanted to see if this lives up to the hotel spa experience that it promises. So let's open it. So here it is. Has that waffle feel to it. This is the color that I chose. This color is sage. Now I'm sure if you chose white, then that would actually give you the spa feel, but we'll get further into that in a little bit. It says it's 100% polyester, and I like the no hook. This is how it looks. You just snap this over the shower curtain rail, and we'll show you how we do that in a little bit. So this is how it came, folded nicely. Right away I could tell that this material feels pretty thick, and it is pretty thick. See, it is pretty thick, and it's very soft. It's 100% polyester waffle weave, and it's got a density of 250 GSM. Now what is 250 GSM? If you're not familiar with GSM, that basically means that the fabric is heavier and denser than your standard shower curtain. It gives you that hotel grade quality. So this is, the length of this is 72 by 72. That's the size that I chose based on the height of my shower curtain rod. Let me just open it and show you a little bit more before we take it over to the shower and hang that up. So this is where it says this is a shower curtain liner, and you just open that, release it, leave the curtain up, and you can wash the liner. So that makes it so much easier, and it also prevents you from having a lot of shower curtain rings. I can't tell you how many shower curtains rings that I have that have outlived the shower curtains themselves. I have a bag of those just thrown down somewhere because the shower curtains are no more, but the rings are still there. With this, you don't need to get any rings. Everything is just all in one. So my friends, let's take this over to the shower, and I'll put this up and show you what it looks like. So this is the shower curtain that's already up here. See what I'm talking about with these shower curtain rings? Now with the Inhousolu shower curtain, you won't have to do all of this. So I'm going to go ahead and take this down, and then I'll come back. While I remove the shower curtain, here is a brief 11-second intermission. So I have removed the shower curtain, and I am now opening the Inhousolu shower curtain to put that up for you. What it looks like with the liner on that side and with the curtain itself on this. So I'm going to start from here and put that up. Alright, so we've put the first one up, and you want to make sure that you're going the other direction. So you'll put this one this way, so it looks like that, and then you'll put this one this way, and then the other one you come under like that. So now we have them all up there like that. We're going to stretch this across. You see how easy that was? Instead of threading hooks through, you literally just snap it onto the rod, and it's already built in to slide without any extras. That saves a lot of time and gives you really that sleek, modern look. And once it's up, as I showed you, you can just snap the liner off, wash that, and replace it without taking the shower curtain down. So let me just snap this back in place. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Inhousolu No-Hook Waffle Weaver Shower Curtain with snap-in liner. Well, that's a mouthful. It was simple, the installation couldn't be easier, and I love that it combines the style with practical features. The fact that this liner and the shower curtain itself is machine washable, water repellent, and the liner is included makes it really stand out for me. And another added benefit, you don't have to hassle with the shower curtain rings, and you don't have to, keep a whole bag of shower curtain rings that are no longer usable because the shower curtains have left. So that's my review, my friend. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I do enjoy bringing product reviews videos sometimes and just take a break from the crafting, but I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know down below if you have ever used any snap-on shower curtains before, or if this is something that you would grab for Christmas. So grab this if you would want to. The link will be down in the description box below. I want to thank Inhousolu for sending me the shower curtain for review. I will definitely be adding this item to my shopping list for Christmas. And if this is your first time to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on that thumbnail and coming in to check out the review. If you love budget-friendly crafting, I will leave a video right here. You can check that out when you get done watching this one. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time that I upload new content.